First time in Paris? Watch this before you go. 1. Paris is not just the Eiffel Tower. Explore Louvre, Montmartre, Seine River, hidden streets. Don't stay in one spot. Book tickets in advance. Eiffel Tower, Louvre, Versailles is equal to long lines. Buy online or you'll waste hours. Learn basic French phrases. Even just bonjour or merci makes locals more friendly. Manners is equal to respect. Metro is your best friend. Fast, cheap, everywhere. But beware of pickpockets. Keep your bag in front. 5. Don't eat near tourist spots. Restaurants near Eiffel Tower is equal to overpriced. Walk 5 to 10 minutes away for a real local food. Bonus tip: visit major sites early or at night. Sunrise is equal to empty. Night is equal to magical. That's your before you go Paris. Like, save, and follow for more Europe's travel guides. See ya!